To enter parcels, you put in how many carats. Let's say we have 300 carats. Okay, the shape would be rounds. Cut, again, if you want to put that here, you can. Let's say it's very good. Color, so you can say it's TLB or GH color, for example. Let's say clarity, you can say it's SI2 to SI2. That doesn't make sense, but you can correct that. So that's just SI2. Then here you have the sizes, so you can say 3 to 5 pointers, and here you can decide whether to count or not. So you have 300 carats of 3 to 5 pointers. You may not want to count them. So if you have larger goods like fifths and thirds and halves, you can count them and enter the count here. And when you place it on memo or invoice, you will have here the count of how many are in memos and invoice, and the carats as well. But if you don't want to count, just put here a 0. Don't forget, if you're not counting, don't leave the 1 there, because it's going to go into negative numbers. Okay, so you put in a 0. The next thing, you can ignore all the rest of it here, because to how much it costs you per carat. So let's go. It costs you $450 a carat. When you click out, you will have the total, and in the selling price, let's say you want to sell $550 a carat, you will get those numbers as well. Okay, so now we're going to save that. Pretty much that's it for the Meli. So see, now we have 0 quantity, but 300 carats. Okay, so I'll explain it in words. Once we put this parcel on memo, say add to memo, okay, the whole parcel comes in, and we want to just take 2 carats out of here. So I put here 2.00, okay, and I gave it to this client over here. It also has a note on this client. Okay, and we saw 550. We can change it to 500 if we want. Okay, then we save it. And print. Okay, so when you print it, you can go and print it this way. So we have 2 carats times 500 a carat, and that's the total. Okay, so now let's go and see what happened to that stone. This same stone. I'm gonna go see copy, and close this. Okay, so now you see the 2 carats on memo. It tells you who has it on memo, and on hand you have 298. Now in that memo, you can go and return to stock those 2 carats or 1 carat, whatever the client kept, and it'll come back into on hand. And in the search, okay, from here you can go to diamond search as well. Okay, you can search by individual stones or by parcel. So parcels are more than 1 stone or less than 1, either a 0 or more than 1 stone. So here, for example, here we have 200 carats, we have 200 quantity, 10 quantity, etc. Okay, and you can search by all the different criteria, and you can search by size also. So if I want to see what I have in 3 to 5 pointers, I have all these parcels in that size. You go from size to size. And that's the story of the parcels. I'm gonna have a mixing tutorial in the next upcoming video.